back to my channel. Welcome if you're new or if you're coming over from the playlist. I'm Holly and I'm very happy that you're here with me today. Today is a very special collaboration video. It is Baking with the Kiddos and it is being hosted by Tiffany at Small Town 6. She has some great content on her channels, lots of grocery hauls, recipes, just budget-friendly type content. So please be sure to go and check her channel out. And this is her third year hosting this, and it's the first year I get to participate in it. And for now, my daughter and my son-in-law and grandson are living 12 hours away. So obviously I couldn't do this in person, but my son-in-law recorded my daughter and my grandson making a little reindeer Christmas treat for this. And also I'm gonna make, after you see her video, I'm making just a little treat as well, a little reindeer. I kind of kept it as a reindeer themed, I guess, video. So I hope that you're gonna enjoy the video and that you will find some great ideas. I'm gonna leave the playlist down below in the description box of all my YouTube friends who are gonna be making some really good little recipes here with their families. And don't forget to check Tiffany's channel out as well. That's going to be linked in the description box. And on my channel, you're going to find a lot of cooking videos, things like that. Sometimes I do grocery hauls, what I cook for dinner type videos, and every now and then I may throw in a day in the life type video. It just depends. So, but a lot of food content mostly on my channel. So if you like that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. I'd absolutely love to have you here. And now let's go ahead and get started with this video. And also please stay tuned to the very end because I did put in just a couple of little bloopers. They're really cute with my grandson and my daughter. So be sure to watch that at the very end of the video. So I hope that you enjoyed this and I hope everyone has a blessed holiday season. To make this cute little treat, you will need some graham crackers, some Teddy Grahams, chocolate frosting, some candy googly eyes, and some red M&Ms.
Hey guys, we are here to do a video for Brayden's Grams at Holly's Homemade Haven. So we are going to do a reindeer snack treat, perfect for little kids. So what we're going to do is take a graham cracker that I've already cut in half with a pizza cutter. And what you do is you just spread it on. Just do a thin layer. All right, ready? Okay, ready. And 1, 2, 3. Go. Whoop. Right, good job. Right, so we got this on. Then all we're gonna do is put a little red M&M here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you something. You ready to see a reindeer? The reindeer eye there and another eye here. So we're going to use 2 little Teddy Grahams. Turn them over. And I think this way looks good. For the ears, they're the antlers, sorry. Put those there. Now we have a little reindeer treat. Take a bite. Can you say Merry Christmas?
And I hope that you enjoyed the video with my daughter and my grandson. I thought it was really cute. So for this, when he was eating the little graham cracker, just make sure you use age-appropriate candies for this. My daughter did not let him eat those little edible, little eyes. those candy eyes, because, you know, for him that's just, you know, like a choking hazard. So she just did it for the video. She did not let him eat that. He did steal a little M&M off of it, but he's capable of chewing and everything. He can swallow and things, but that one's a little bit easier for him, even though she wasn't expecting him to grab it. But just make sure to use age-appropriate candies for whatever age your children are, just so that way there's no choking hazards. So I just wanted to, you know, kind of put that in there, let you know he did not eat those candy eyes. But this is going to be an easy, quick treat. It's going to be Reindeer Brownies, and it's going to take very little ingredients. So basically you just need a brownie mix, and I'm just using this one, the fudge one, and then I'm just gonna make it just as it says on the box. So just follow the directions on the box, and then just some chocolate frosting, whatever kind you like, some peppermint sticks, candy canes, and I could not find the smaller ones, which I think would have been really good, but I'm just gonna break those to make them smaller. And then some, you know, milk chocolate covered pretzels, and just some candy that has like the little red candies for the nose. So I found these two in the store, and I thought these would work well. So these have like the little red candies in there too, so it's kind of like little different shapes as well, so round and flat. And I also had the M&Ms, so I'm just going to take the red M&Ms and use those as well. So just different options that you can use to make, you know, little reindeer, make the little nose. And I think these are going to turn out cute. So the first thing you want to do is just bake that brownie mix. So whatever one you choose, go ahead and bake it, and then we'll put it together. After you bake the brownies, take them out of the pan, and then you're going to cut them in 3 rows and then into little triangles. And once you have them cut into triangles, take the frosting and then ice in your triangles. And now we're going to decorate them. And all you need to do is take the candy cane. I broke the long part off and just put those in. It makes it look like a little antler for the reindeer. And if you can find smaller ones, that would be great too. I couldn't find any. And then just put the candy eyes on. And then one of the little candies for the nose. And I love that, how it looks like Rudolph, so really cute. And I continue to do that with this one. And I just put a different candy for the nose on it. And I put the pretzels for the antlers on the rest of them. And just continue to put the little eyes and, like I said, the little round candies and M&Ms. And this was so much fun to do. Really get in the kitchen, make some memories with your kids, make some little treats like these. I think they would enjoy doing this. And I want to say, please check that playlist down below in the description box. Also, Tiffany, don't forget to check her channel out. And Tiffany, thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this collab. I really did enjoy this. Really was fun. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.
Hey guys, we got Brayden here, and we are going to do a reindeer treat for his grams this video, okay? Yeah. So we're going to start with a graham cracker, and they come in rectangles, so you just got to cut it in half. Get this nice little square. Ready? All right, here we go. All right. Yep. Got it? Okay. All right, sit down. All right, good job, bud. Yep. Hey guys, so we're here to do a video for Brayden's Grams. So we are going to do a reindeer treat